Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining or talking. Just know she had to call.
Hi. Hey guys, it's Katelyn, and today I'm going to be doing a very highly requested video, which is a room tour of my new room that I just did. And some fun and exciting news is that I'm actually moving, but I'll get into that in a different video. It was very unexpected, but once again, I'll just explain that in a different video. This is more about my room, and I hope this gets you guys like some inspiration for your own room and stuff like that, so come on in. So first we're gonna start. My sister is actually filming this video today, so okay, so first we're going to talk about my desk area over here. This desk is from IKEA. It's very old. It has a lot of paint and scratches and stuff on the top of it. I wouldn't focus too much on that. And then I also have another old desk chair. I got this from Office Depot, I think. I got it a while ago. And then I have my mirror here. This is from Target. This collage kit, which is kind of falling off my wall, but it's actually from Teza, and I ordered it in one big kit. I didn't have to print this individually, which is nice, and I didn't have to pick out photos because I'm pretty lazy. And then on my desk here, I have my Starbucks from this morning. I should have thrown that out before the video started. And then I have this yogurt cup that I covered like in paper, and then I put some stuff in it. And then I have a little plant here from IKEA, and then I just have some flowers right here, and then just some jewelry and my AirPods and Carmex. A little bit of some dongles for my MacBook. Yeah, because my MacBook is here too. Totally forgot and skipped on that. And now into what's in my desk. So in the first drawer here, I just have a ton of notebooks and stuff for my bullet journals. I'm not organized with this part yet of my room. And then over here in the first little mini drawer here, I just have my wallet, some masks and scrunchies, just a bunch of other random stuff that I haven't organized yet. And then in this little area, I just have literally the most random stuff you could ever imagine. But what I use the most here is my makeup. So over here is just a chair. I got this from my sister's room. It matches nicely with my wall and my desk chair. And then over here, I just have my tripod that I use to film. I would store this in my closet, but I actually like having it out in this corner over here. And then over here to the other side of my wall, I just have a ton of fairy lights covering my windows and the shelves over here. I got this painting here from my mom. She gave this to me. And then this little Swarovski crystal bear thing. And then this Space Needle. And then I have a Supreme sticker, a Khalid ticket from when I saw him last year or last summer. Bath and Body Works mini candle, which is I'm having a meltdown. It's a little Christmas themed candle. A photo collage of some homecoming pictures from last year with my friends. And then up on the top one here, I have this little Starbucks coffee painting that my friend Megan painted for me. And then I have two plants here from IKEA that were in the same set as the one on my desk. And then I have a little London cup and a telephone, which my mom got for me when she was traveling there. And I got all of these fairy lights off of Amazon. Everything will be linked down below from my room. I will try my best to link every single thing. So onto this part of my room, I have my fairy light, string light curtain thing. And then I also have these vines. You might think that they're from Urban Outfitters. Why did I say it like that? Urban Outfitters. But I actually got a dupe of them from Amazon, link down below once again. So for my bed, I have a white comforter. I don't know where it's from, but it is a queen size because my bed does pull out into a king size bed. I will show you guys that after. First thing I have here is a husband looking pillow thing. I got that at Walmart. Really good deal, surprisingly. And then I have these pillows here. These four main pillows you see here are from TJ Maxx. And then I have this throw here from American Eagle. I also have some random like IKEA just bed pillows behind here. So for the first drawer I have under my bed, I just have an extension cord, and these were some ribbons that were tied together for like these throw things, and then a pillowcase. In the second drawer here, I just have this comforter, which doesn't have a cover. And then in this thing, I just have a bunch of shopping bags and childhood like items or whatever, and I don't really reach into that too much, although I do use some of those shopping bags sometimes when I'm trying to reuse stuff while going to the mall. I don't really normally get anything else from that. I'm so out of breath.
And that's it. That's the room.
Yeah, that's it, guys. So for my wall here, I got these curtain string lights in warm white from Amazon. And then these vines are also from Amazon. I just have them all pinned up everywhere on this wall area. So then over here, I just have my sliding mirror door closet, which I absolutely love. The efficiency of it and everything is just so nice. And then I also have these LED lights, which I will link down below too. I put them around my closet. I think it looks really nice. And so for in my closet, I don't really have anything organized at all, but I do have like some school backpacks down here. I do have some jackets hanging up here and belts. I don't know. And then a fan and some of my shoes. Really, really random. Not really that organized yet, but once again, I'm moving, so it doesn't really matter, but I never got to really organize them the way how I want them to. And then for this side over here, I just have where I hang all of my sweaters and clothes. 2 buckets here. This is dirty laundry and this is clean laundry. I just have a bunch of stuff stored up here, like boxes, my Apple boxes and shoe boxes, and a bunch of other random stuff. And then over here on my door, I just have a Lululemon shopping bag. Now onto my bed. I just take off first everything off of my bed. So as you can see, I do have 2 twin mattresses that are stacked on top of each other. This is how you're supposed to do it with this bed. And then you pull it out. What's really nice is that this collapses back, because if you look at it this way, it really takes up a lot of my room space. When I'm sleeping at night, it really is nice just to have a bigger bed. And then you're gonna move the second mattress over like this, and you're going to want to try to tuck it in kind of like right here. There's no big gap that you're gonna feel like in the middle of the bed. And then here's the cover set that I use. I don't know what else to really say, and besides that, just kind of throw on all the pillows.
You're so out of breath.
I know. But I do really like this bed because, I mean, you can fit like probably 3 people here without being squished together. I really, really like it, so time to put it all back together. Liz, my sister, she just told me that all that footage was 3 minutes. So it took me 3 minutes to make a bed like this. Pretty fast if you ask me for being a twin size and pulling it all the way out into a king. So that is pretty much it, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more room type videos, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to. I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you guys all next week. Bye.